Hi guys, it's Des here from Dzdjewelry, and I want to talk to you about the quotes that a lot of us do on our Instagram and what I do with mine. So I typically give out my bling wipes because I care to my customers, and when the box is empty, I go green and I cover the boxes with this pretty green paper here. And I write on the boxes, just little words like words to live by, life lessons, quotes, the words, whatever. And I fill it up with different quotes. And I put the little sticky papers in there and I write on each one of the tabs different quotes that pop in my head, or if I hear quotes that are memorable, so I can use them on my Instagram. And I fill the box with all these quotes so I don't forget them and I can use them on my Instagram. So I just want to, and that way I don't have to throw away the boxes and we're not damaging the environment, and it makes a little cute little box too for keeping keepsakes. So I mean, you don't have to use them for quotes, but you can recycle, little boxes that you have around your house, and it's just a way to be green and keep the environment nice and clean and happy. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.